ka-Selmiams! Mag-open po tayo ng mga regalo. Liam, come here! Say hi! Say hi! Hi! Tuloy na! So, the first na regalo na i-open ko po, galing po kay Marifer. Thanks, B! Ay, ang cute. Salamat, B. Marifer. Ang cute niya. Liam, babe, please. Babe, ka. Next, Ganda Joy. Salamat, Ganda Joy. Oh, wow. Ay, wow. Thanks. Thanks, Ganda Joy. And done po. Next is kay Ate Pipi. Ate Pipi, oh, thank you sa gift. Ay, ang bango. Ay, ang bango. Ay, ang cute, Ate Pipi. No, just wait, babe. Ay, ang ganda niya. So cute. Yes, so cute. Liam, no! Ay, no, babe. Ay. Yan. Thank you po, Ate Pipi. Parang naano ko to. Parang na-remember ko to. Hindi ko lang sure kung galing to kay Ate Banji. Kasi last time, nagkasama kami pumunta ng Ross and then nakita niya to. So, I'm not sure kung galing to sa kanya. Pero thank you kung sa'yo man to galing Ate Banji. Thank you so much. Thank you, Ate Banji. Parang sa'yo, para kasi nagkasama tayo last time sa Ross and then nag-usap tayo ng ganito na about sa glass. Pero feeling ko sa'yo to, Ate galing, Ate Banji. Thank you. Hot Wheels. Okay, just wait. I will let you play your Hot Wheels, okay? Or just watch TV first. Just wait. the glass. Thank you dito kasi itong pala galing kay Manji. Siguro kay Hazel. From Ate Vanji. Thank you, Ate Vanji. Ay, ang cute. Ay, pang-travel talaga. Thank you. Galing kay Bunso. Bunso. Thank you, Lisel Bunso. So, yun talaga yung glass galing kay Hazel. Thank you, Hazel. Nagkamali ako kasi. Count man. Ay! Be careful! Oh, you said you want to open.
Wow.
Not yet. Wow. Pyrex. Yeah, Pyrex. Thank you, Bunso. Pyrex. Another Pyrex. Yes. And ito, galing kay Ate Angie. Thank you, Ate Angie. Ate. Han? Knife or scissors? Ah, okay. Never mind.
Wow.
Wait, Liam.
Wow.
Oh, wow. Victoria's Secret. How cute. Yeah. Ang kasama ko. Oh, mag-open. Oh, sige na.
Oh, bye.
No, not yet. Not yet. Wait. Ang cute. Ang cute ng malagyan. Wait. Hold on. Ang cute, oh. Lalagyan, oh. Thank you, Ate Angie.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
More Wheels.
No, this is not Hot Wheels.
Hot Wheels.
Thank you, ate.
Hot
Appreciate you all. Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.
Thank you so much po.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Thank you for watching. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
And happy birthday ulit sa amin.
Happy birthday.
Mama, happy birthday, Mama. Happy birthday to me. Ha? Happy birthday.